These are some of the rarest and oldest photographs of Gulbarga city. This was the personal train used by Mir Usman Ali, the Nawab of Hyderabad. This train would come from Hyderabad and stop in front of Ivan Shahi guest house, which was the palace of Nawab. In this video, I would like to bring in front of you some of the ancient and historical monuments not in Gulbarga but around Gulbarga. Let's start from the earliest, 1st and 3rd century AD artifacts. Yes, you heard it right. About 80 kilometers from Gulbarga, Sannati in Chitapur Taluk has Buddhist site dating back to 1st to 3rd century AD, making it one of the oldest Buddhist sites in Karnataka. 4 major rock edicts have been found here, proved that Mauryan Empire stretched up to Sannati. The ASI has totally fenced 19 acres and have placed guards to protect this site. This site has the statue of King Ashoka with his queens. It is the only sculpture of Ashoka in India with his name inscribed on it. The stone edicts are written in Brahmi script and are in Prakrit language. Ashoka and the revival of Bodhi tree, birth scene of Buddha carved on stone can be seen here. The next place I would like to tell you is Shri 1008 Shantinath Bhagwan Shrine at Bankur village, which is about 26 kilometers from Gulbarga. This is 11th century Jain temple which was established during the period of Chalukyas. 6 feet long black stone Shantinath Bhagwan carved in high relief. The entrance, pillars and each corner of the temple has its own unique attraction with statues and designs. Next we have Gadikeshwar village, which is another historical place dating back to 12th century CE. Another giant temple dating back to the time of Chalukyas can be seen here. Chandrala Parmeshwari temple at Sannati, it is believed to have been constructed at least 500 to 600 years old. One incident in this temple made way to tremendous discoveries in Sannati. In 1986, a roof fell on the idol of Kali in Chandrala Parmeshwari complex. This revealed a major inscription in Brahmi script in Prakrit language about Emperor Ashoka. ASI began excavations and they found 2000-year-old Buddhist stupa and sculptures and portrait of Emperor Ashoka. Another place of importance is Unugunta. We have Chandralamba Parmeshwari temple, which is also 35 kilometers from Gulbarga. ASI has taken steps to restore this old temple complex. Dattatreya Swami temple at Gangapur is a famous pilgrimage center located on the banks of river Bhima at about 40 kilometers from Gulbarga. It is said to have been constructed by King Yakshamalla in 1428 AD and is said that alterations were made in 1459 AD. Sri Narsimha Saraswati stayed in Gangapur for 20 years before taking Samadhi in 1459 AD and left with his Nirguna Padukas here, which are kept in the temple. Another place of historical importance is Kalgi. 45 kilometers from Gulbarga, there are Hindu and Jain monasteries in Kalgi. It has more than 30 monuments datable to later Chalukya period. Inscriptions found here date from 1040 CE to the 13th century CE. All the temples at Kalgi were built in this period. Suryanarayana temple, Apsara sculptures that personify ragas on the outside walls of the Nilakanta Kaleshwar temple. Another place of historical importance is Malkhed. Situated 40 kilometers from Gulbarga, it has old dilapidated forts dating back to 9th century and 11th century when Rashtrakutas and Chalukyas made it their capital. The temple of Neemnath dated to 10th century AD. The pillars and walls of this temple have been dated back to this period. In Malkhed, we have the remains of one of its most prominent saints. Sri Jayatirtha Moola Brindavana is here in the Uttaradi Math. Hirapur is hardly 15 kilometers from Gulbarga, but I think very few might have gone to see the historical monuments of Bahmani Sultans. There are many beautiful stepwells which are very unique in architecture. built by Bahmanis and Adil Shah kings. There is a very big Hirapur Masjid constructed during these times and is under the protection of ASI. The wells were built in square shape and supported by walls. The Ibrahim Adil Shah Masjid in Hirapur is very famous. Another place of historical importance is Ferozabad. Constructed by Feroz Shah Bahmani, who ruled the kingdom for more than 25 years from 1397, is known for his love for fine art and constructing number of monuments, including the masjid, tombs, and mansions. It was this famous king who built Ferozabad on the banks of river Bhima, with well-fortified forts, wide roads, and a well-endowed market and a city. The fort itself is built on a 300-acre land with all amenities inside. He was known to have had a harem inside the fort, guest house, bathrooms, kitchen, and a beautiful masjid. Thank you everybody. At the end of this video, I would request you to visit all these historical monuments around Gulbarga.